My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a full body weight only morning stretch, working everything, but really addressing your lower back and your hamstrings. Modify as needed, always use control. It's great for everybody. All right, get your mat, some comfortable clothes, and I'll join you right over there by beautiful Lake Neshonoc.
Think about the future.
All right, begin with the right foot forward, little split series. Modify as needed, always use control, and lots of breath. Little breezy today, so soak it in. Hands down, rocking forward. And press back. Inhale forward, exhale back, go at your own pace. Loosen it all up. Smell the fish coming from Lake Neshonoc. Relax the shoulders, relax the face. Toes and fingers are loose, allowing your body to flow and enjoy itself. Energized. Two more, forward and back. Bring it forward, hand down, extend the back leg, full lunge, and we twist. Inhale up, exhale down 5 times. Touch, inhale left. There's that beautiful twist. Conjuring flexibility and mobility in your center and conjuring a lot of energy. Conjuring, I have to teach my son that word today. That's a good one. All right, reach up, extend forward. Hands down, and let's go to the other side. Left foot forward. When you're ready, begin rocking and rolling. Forward and back. Flex the foot for more of a stretch. Lucky me, I woke up to a calf spasm this morning. Haven't had one of those in over a year, but yeah, I had to suffer silently for about 10 seconds. So definitely looking forward to coming out here and getting some blood flow going, getting some movement. Good old calf cramps. Flow through it. Flowing goodness, unlocking all that potential. One more time, each one. Forward and back. Now full lunge, extend the back leg, 5 twists. Working from our center, from our core. Inhale up, exhale down. Do 2 more. Now extend. Hands down, step back, downward facing dog. Little dancing here. Fingers wide. Step 1 foot behind the other. On the diagonal, press back. Inhale, rock forward. Other side, take the foot out as far as you comfortably can. Keep it within your wheelhouse, but that wheelhouse, whatever that is, that's good. That's going to expand every time you do this flow. Every time you flow with Coach Vigue, it's better and better. Inhale, exhale, stretch it out. Watch the face plant. Stretch. Forward and down. One more time, each side. Always moving, always shaking, always doing something extraordinary for ourselves. Back to down dog. Shimmy it back. Rock forward, lower down onto your stomachs. Little side to side cobra pulse. Cobra pulse. Press up. On the right side, lower down. Back and forth. It's on my arm. Okay. Always checking my arms. I get lots of fun insects like to land on me when I'm pulsing. Press up. If you like, you can bring it up higher into a up dog. Sway it back and forth. Bend one elbow, lengthen the other. Good, clean fun, opening up your abdominals, your chest, stretching your back, and working your arms and shoulders, which is always nice. Adding some strength and some density into the bones. Let's add scorpions. One leg comes back and then down, back and forth. Press up as you cross for an extra bonus, an extra twist. Rotational integrity, your body's ability to rotate throughout the day unimpeded with freedom and strength and control. Oh, I could do these all day. Once I turn the camera off, I'm going to do them for a few more hours. So one more time each side. Press up, down, press up, down. All right, bring it back to downward facing dog. Lifting that right leg up, open the hip into a scorpion. I'm going to bring this right foot forward to a warrior. I call this the melting warrior. Patent pending. Bend that knee. Back foot turned in. Bring the arms up. Slowly we're going to melt down to the ground, starting with cactus arms. Keep the legs strong. Side to side. I'm melting. What a world. What a world. What a world. Down. Melt it down. All the way down to the mat. Step back. Other leg, left leg, open up into the scorpion. And then forward. Let the melting commence. Arms up, boom. I'm teaching my first class tonight here in Wisconsin for the summer and fall. Very excited. I'm actually subbing. So I'm glad to be out here getting it in my system, in my mind, in my body, in my soul. At the Ohana Yoga Studio in West Salem, Wisconsin. If you're around this summer, come on by for a class. Step back again. Let's do it. Right side up. Ohana Yoga. Though Ohana Yoda is pretty cool. Sure. Forward, melt. A little faster. Lowering down, lowering down. Step back, other side. Left foot forward, up. Down, down, down. All right. Press it back, forward, lower down, cobra or up dog. Lifting up, shoulders back, stretch, stretch, stretch. Now lower, we're gonna do the active wild thing. So bring it to downward facing dog. We did the scorpions, we're gonna keep moving. If it's too much, just stay with the scorpions. Bring the leg up and then switch sides. Or bring the leg up, drop it down, lift. Like so. Other side, lift. Other leg comes up and drop. You get the idea. Long stretch. All right, one more time each side. Feels good. All right, bring it down. Forward, lower, cobra or up dog. Downward facing dog. Left foot forward. Reverse warrior to half moon. We'll finish off. Reach the arms up, 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 up. Left hand comes to the mat, lifting the right foot up and open, half moon. Haven't done these in a video in quite a while, have we? Step it back, Switch sides. Flow it back and forth. Your own speed. Ba-ba-bum. Yeah. All right, let's vinyasa flow it. Back, forward, down. Let the knees come down, take it back, child's pose. Hands on the corners, side to side, sway. Add a circle as well if you like. You want to be loose, you got a big day coming up. Loosen up your body, mobilize it, mobilize the blood flow, the focus, the purpose. Bring it through, cobra or up dog once again. Drop the shoulders back. Go with a nice open upper body. Knees down. Tuck the toes. Coming to forward fold. Bend the knees. Sway side to side. On the thighs, twisting it back and forth. Always feels good. Drop the shoulder down. Again, diving down. You can also reach the arms up and back. Stabilize the core. And once again, hands on the thighs. Twisted. There's a robin right behind the camera. Look at that. This must be the Midwest. Robins everywhere. All right, my friends. Ooh, great flow. Have a fantastic day. I hope this helped. Consider clicking that like button, subscribing, and clicking the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. These three things immensely help this channel grow and help get these videos to more and more people. So thank you for that. And as always, Coach Vigue, we'll see you around. Hey, I love training with you. I want to give you my most popular yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you have to do is click the first link down below and it's yours. Do it right now.